In this video, I'm going to go ahead and show you how you can get Q&A in your TikTok bio. So the first thing you want to do, guys, is head over to your TikTok app on your mobile phone. And then if I come over to my profile, as you can see, there is no option here for Q&A. So if you want to get Q&A in your bio, what you'll need to do is go to the three dots in the top right corner. Go to the three dots and then you will want to click on Manage Account. And then once you've clicked on that, as you can see under account control, there is an option to switch to pro account. So you have to go ahead and select that. And then once you've selected that, you'll be presented with this page here. So go ahead and click on creator or business. So for me, I'm going to click on creator for this example. Click on creator and then I'm going to go ahead and select brand and then just go ahead and create my pro account. Go ahead, select my gender. And then once you've selected your gender, you'll be brought to this page here. So welcome to your creator account. You can find analytics in settings. So if I go ahead and click on cancel there, what you'll need to do once you've got a pro account is go to creator tools. Click on creator tools and then there you should see an option for Q&A. Go ahead, select on Q&A and then you will be able to turn Q&A on from this section here. Go ahead, click on turn on, and then if I go back to my profile now, and then you will be able to see Q&A is now in my bio on TikTok. So it's just that simple, guys. If this video did help you out, please don't leave a like, comment, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in the next one.